Hello friends. Did your car's check engine light turn on? And after scanning, you found the code P0631? This means the vehicle identification number VIN is missing or incorrect in the transmission control module TCM. A wrong or missing VIN can lead to shifting problems, transmission malfunctions, and even a non-start condition. In this video, I'll explain what P0631 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0631? The P0631 code stands for VIN Not Programmed or Mismatched TCM. This means the transmission control module, TCM, does not have the correct VIN stored. This issue can occur if the TCM was replaced, reprogrammed incorrectly, or due to software corruption. Common symptoms of P0631. Check engine light on transmission shifting issues, harsh shifting, slipping, or stuck in gear. Poor fuel efficiency vehicle may not start in some cases, obd2 scanner unable to detect proper transmission settings. If you're experiencing these problems, let's find the affected components. To diagnose P0631, check these key components. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually found inside the engine bay, mounted near the transmission or inside the vehicle under the dashboard. Function, controls shifting and communication between the engine and transmission. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, under the hood near the firewall, or inside the passenger cabin under the dashboard. Function, works with the TCM and ECM to manage VIN programming and engine control. Engine control module, ECM, if separate from PCM. Location, typically mounted near the engine or battery. Function, stores the vehicle's programming and ensures VIN communication with the TCM, obd2 port. Location, under the dashboard on the driver's side. Function, used to scan and reprogram the VIN in the TCM. Vehicle identification number, VIN plate. Location, at the bottom of the windshield, driver's side, or inside the door frame. Function, the official ID of your vehicle that must match all modules. Tip, if your TCM was recently replaced, it might not be programmed with the correct VIN. Common causes of P0631 TCM replacement without proper programming. A new TCM needs the correct VIN to function properly. VIN mismatch due to incorrect programming. Errors during a software update or reflash. Corrupted TCM software. A software bug or memory issue can erase or alter the VIN. Wiring or communication errors. Bad connections between the TCM, PCM, and ECM. Failed TCM or PCM. A faulty module may be unable to store or read the correct VIN. How to fix P0631? Step 1. Verify the VIN on the dashboard and driver's door frame. Ensure it matches your vehicle's official documents. Step 2. Scan the TCM with an obd2 scanner. Check if the VIN is missing or incorrect. Step 3. Reprogram the VIN using a professional scan tool. A dealership tool or advanced diagnostic software can update the TCM. Step 4. Check for TCM software updates. Some manufacturers provide firmware updates for TCM communication issues. Step 5. Inspect wiring between the TCM, PCM, and ECM. A damaged connection can prevent VIN communication. Step 6. Perform a relearn procedure. Some vehicles require a transmission adaptation reset after programming. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle. If the VIN is correctly stored, the code should not return. Ignoring P0631 can lead to transmission shifting issues, poor fuel efficiency, and potential starting problems. Fixing this issue ensures your vehicle operates smoothly and avoids costly transmission damage. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0516, battery temperature sensor circuit low voltage. P0517, battery temperature sensor circuit high voltage. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.